Potter was a quiet boy who had lived most of his life feeling alone and different. He never truly understood why strange things always happened around him, until one day a giant man named Hagrid came and changed everything. "You are a wizard, Harry," Hagrid said with a serious voice. "I am a wizard?" Harry repeated, still in disbelief. Not long after that, Harry found himself standing in front of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, a place filled with magic, mystery, and endless possibilities. For the first time, he felt like he finally belonged somewhere. Inside the castle, he met Ron and Hermione, who quickly became his close friends. "Hi, I'm Ron," said a red-haired boy with a friendly smile. "I'm Hermione. Nice to meet you," she added confidently. Together, they learned spells, explored hidden parts of the castle, and faced small challenges that slowly built their courage. However, not everyone welcomed Harry warmly. Draco Malfoy, a boy with a proud attitude, often watched Harry with a strange expression. "So, you are Harry Potter," Draco said, his lips forming a fine smile. "I have heard a lot about you." Harry felt something unsettling in Draco's tone, but he chose to ignore it. At Hogwarts, there was one story everyone believed without question, that Harry was the chosen one, and that one day he would defeat the most feared dark wizard Voldemort. "You must be ready," one teacher told him. "Voldemort will return." Harry accepted that truth without doubt. In his mind, Voldemort was the enemy, and his fate was already decided. Everything began to change on a quiet night when Harry wandered alone through the castle corridors. The silence felt heavier than usual, as if the castle itself was hiding something. Without realizing it, Harry found a hidden chamber behind an old wall. Inside, a dark figure stood calmly waiting. Harry quickly raised his wand. "Stay back!" he shouted. The figure stepped forward into the dim light, revealing a pale face and cold eyes. It was Voldemort. "I am not here to fight you, Harry," Voldemort said quickly. Harry's grip tightened. "That's impossible. You're the enemy. Everyone says so." Voldemort's gaze did not change. "Not everything you hear is the truth." Before Harry could respond, another voice echoed from behind him. "So, you finally found out." Harry turned around and saw Draco stepping out of the shadows. His expression was no longer arrogant, it was cold and confident. "Draco, what are you doing here?" Harry asked, confused. Draco let out a small laugh. "Haha, still don't understand, do you?" he said. "Voldemort was never the real enemy." Harry felt his heart pounding. "What do you mean?"
Draco slowly raised his wand. "While everyone feared him," he said, pointing briefly at Voldemort, "I was the one in the shadows. I let them believe in a monster, so no one would suspect me." At the moment, Ron and Hermione rushed into the chamber. "Harry!" Hermione called out. "We were looking for you." She stopped when she saw Draco. "What is going on?" Draco smiled faintly. "Perfect timing," he said. Without warning, he attacked. A flash of light filled the room. "Expelliarmus!" Harry reacted quickly. "Protego!" The sound of magic echoed violently as their spells collided. The chamber shook, dust falling from the walls as the battle intensified. Ron and Hermione joined in, trying to protect Harry. "Watch out!" Ron shouted. "Stay focused, Harry," Hermione added. Draco attacks grew stronger, fueled by anger and ambition. "You are almost the hero," he said through clenched teeth. "But now it's my turn." Harry struggled to keep up. Draco was faster, more aggressive, and completely fearless. Just as Harry began to lose balance, another spell cut through the air and blocked Draco's attack. Voldemort stepped forward. "There is Enoch," he said calmly. Draco froze for a moment, clearly shocked. "You're helping him? I will not let you destroy everything," Voldemort replied. For the first time, Harry saw something different in Voldemort. No darkness, but control and truth. With Voldemort standing beside him, Harry slowly regained his strength. Ron and Hermione moved closer, ready to support him. "We end this together," Hermione said firmly. "Yeah, no more running," Ron added. Harry nodded and faced Draco once more. "This is over," he said. Draco attacked again, but this time Harry was ready. With one final spell, a bright light shot forward. "Expelliarmus!" Draco wand flew out of his hand, and he fell to ground, defeated. The silence that followed felt heavy, but also relieving. "This isn't possible," Draco muttered weakly. Harry looked at him, not with anger, but with clarity. "You choose this fate," he said quietly. Draco said nothing more. The truth had finally come out. Harry then turned to Voldemort. "Why did you help me?" he asked. Voldemort looked at him for a moment before answering. "Because I was never your enemy," he said. "I was only the fear people refused to question." Harry lowered his wand slowly. For the first time, he understood everything. The world was not as simple as good and evil. Sometimes the real danger was hidden behind lies that everyone believed. From that day on, Harry was no longer just the chosen one. He became someone who could see it even when it was hidden in the shadows.